everybody, how you doing? Uncle Vinny here. You know what's coming up? That's right, Health Chat. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Nick Circolone. I am so excited to be here as always. Thank you so much for allowing me into your home. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and get the videos that we're putting out. That'll turn around and change the analytics of YouTube. Also, if you're watching on Facebook, like us, subscribe, share, and also that'll change the analytics for Facebook as well. And you'll get notifications when we're coming on and when we're having our videos. We'll be posting hopefully at least once a week, if not twice a week, to give you information. Today, I'm so excited to bring you something it's not even kind of, it's very passionate to me, and that's about changing your life. If you are not wanting to work out, or you think you're too old to work out, this video is for you, because we're going to be talking about ways that will motivate you in order for you to change your life. Now, let's give you a couple tips. There's a few tips now, and I'm not going to count them because I'll tell you what, I might give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 tips. I don't know yet. But the first tip I'm going to give you to work out and to do the best possible job you can do and change your life is to make sure you get an outfit that's kicking. You want an awesome outfit, like something from the 80s. You got the bandana going on, you got the leggings, and you got the booty things and everything else. And guys, don't you wear this stuff because it'll look funny on you. Trust me, it looks funny on them when they were wearing it. And I'm just kidding. You don't need a killer outfit. But you do need an attitude where you will succeed. And I will tell you what, in the next few videos coming up, I am going to be there to help you succeed in your journey of changing your life. The first thing we're going to talk about, and probably the most important thing, is nutrition. If you have nutrition dialed in, you will see huge results, and that will just motivate you in itself. Now, I will tell you what, I have tried just about every diet that's out there. I've tried the fasting diet. I've tried the keto diet. I've tried the Atkins diet, which is similar to the keto diet. I've tried the Mediterranean diet. I've even tried the Twinkie diet. We eat 20 Twinkies a day, give you about 2,500 calories. Let me tell you what, I felt like garbage because I was putting garbage into this body. God created us as a machine. He created us to do great things with this machine. He has allowed the Spirit to go inside of us in order for us to fulfill the purpose that He has set forth for us. So, if we're going to do the work that we were designed to do, we have to, number one, we have to fuel this body, and number two, we have to keep it in shape, and we have to exercise. Now, I will tell you this, with the exercise program, we'll talk a little bit about that in a minute, but I still want to talk more about the food portion of this. Now, I have been on program for the past probably week, and I've lost 7 pounds. Now, before that, I had started this program before the holidays, was doing okay during the holidays. Then we started a fast at church, and things got a little wonky, and now I'm back on the program, and I'm feeling much better. Now, if you want to know more about the program, if you want to know more about what this can do to you and help change your life, because let me tell you something, the thing I like the most about this is I have a personal coach that's helping me go through this journey. I'm not doing it alone, and that's where the success comes in. I'm not only learning how to eat better, and I'm a doctor, I should know this, right? No, not necessarily. Most doctors don't know this. So, how to eat better. Number one, where and why am I eating the way I eat? Number two, how can I change that mindset? And number three, stick to it. Those are really important things, and that's what makes this program succeed. So I'm going to put a link down below. It's a health assessment. Fill it out. I will get a copy of it in my email. I will go through them. I promise you, either myself or one of our team will contact you and we'll talk to you about what's going on, what we can do to help you, and see if we can get you on that right road to change your life and move in a positive direction. Number 2, and really important, is to work out. Like a lot of us, we want to sit on the couch, we want to eat bonbons or crumble cookies, but we just sit there. We want to watch TV. I'm one of those guys. I would love to sit in front of the TV and go click, 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 and binge watch stuff. I mean, that's my way of escape. But I also like to work out. Now, I will tell you this. I started working out about 15 years ago, pretty strong, when I met Tony Horton. I didn't go up to Tony Horton and shake his hand. If you don't know who Tony Horton is, he's the P90X guy. Well, I got to tell you this story because it's hysterical. I'm sitting in bed with my wife. We're in a hotel room and eating hot wings. I'm just sitting there chowing down. I'm loving it. I'm sitting there, I'm looking good. I'm like, whew, I got that dad bod going on. I'm excited, right? So my wife is sitting there next to me watching me eat these hot wings. And Tony Horton comes on with P90X. And there's these people running up and down, jumping up and down, doing things, doing pull-ups, doing push-ups. And I'm like, I could do that, as I have a mouthful of hot wings. And my wife says, sure you can. So I said, watch this. So I picked up the hotel phone. I dialed the number, the 1-800 number. I can't remember exactly what it is. Said, send it all to me. Yeah, you send it all. I want it all. So I can't tell you how much I spent for this program, but it wasn't cheap. So 4 weeks later, I get the program. It comes in this big box. It was a heavy box. So I picked it up off the front porch and I bring it into the house and I put it down. It sat there for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Didn't even open it up. And my wife is going like, listen, do you see that right there? Get that out of here. I don't care what you do with it. I'm tired of looking at it. Have you ever had that, guys? Your wife looks at you and goes, get it out of here. I'm tired of looking at it. Well, I picked that box up, carried it up to our family room. I was winded by the time I got there. I put the box down and it sat there for another month. That sucker sat there closed, never cracked it open. I mean, most people crack things open. Oh, what's in here? Oh, yeah, I got this, I got that. Not me. I let it stay closed for a month. Then a patient comes in. Patient looks great. I'm like, wow, what have you been doing? Well, I've been working out. Well, what have you been doing? I want to know. I want to look like that. You look good. He says, you want to see my before and afters? And I said, absolutely. So he shows me his befores and he shows me his afters. And I went, wow, you did this in how long? He said, took me 90 days to do this. I'm like, what did you do? What did you do? He goes, P90X. I'm like, come on, seriously? He goes, yeah, P90X. That night, I went home and I opened the box and I've been working out like that ever since. Beachbody is my go-to. The reason why I like Beachbody and the reason why I like the program that we're on, it's an Optavia program, but don't get caught up with the Optavia. Just understand what's important about it is you have personalized coaching. Now with my Beachbody, I still have personalized coaching. Even though I'm not talking to these people, I actually see them on my screen and I was able to go through the program and I did see a huge change in my body. And I felt tons better. I have more energy to do the things that I want to do. So I continue to do it. Well, now, P90X was very expensive. But there's a program now that Beachbody does offer. It's called Beachbody On Demand. And I'll put a link in the description below so you can get that as well. And what that does is it gives you a list of everything that Beachbody has. Not just 1 or 2 programs, but everything that they have. And you can pick and choose the ones that will benefit you at the time and where you are. If you're a couch potato, I'm not expecting you to get up and run 6 miles because I'm not going to run 6 miles. Even now, I won't run 6 miles. Nobody's chasing me. Okay, but I like to work out. I like to lift weights. The program that I am personally doing right now that's on Beachbody On Demand is called Lift 4. It's 4 days a week. Okay, I'm lifting, I'm doing a HIIT, and I'm doing a core. Ooh, 4-letter word, core. That and yoga, hard stuff. But I will tell you this, I have seen the changes and I feel better. not only do I feel better because I'm working out, but I feel better because I've changed the way that I'm eating. And I want you guys to get motivated to change. I know the first of the year is over, and most people quit their New Year's resolutions on the 9th of February. Well, you know what? The 9th of February is coming up, and you guys will change your lives. Trust me. Think about this. What is the why? If you've been watching our show, you've seen why do we do things. One of the whys that I work out is because I want to be with my family. Why? Because I want to be healthy. I want to be active. I don't want to be running around chasing my grandchildren going, I can't keep up with them. I want them to look at Pop and go, man, my Papa, I can't keep up with the man. He's crazy. That's how I want them to see me. I don't want them to see me feeble. I don't want to see me sitting in a chair, sitting on my lap and me watching them play. I want to play with them. So that's my why. I want to be with my wife and be active and happy and healthy way into my old age. My family, we have a longevity in my family. Goal, personal goal. You ready for my personal goal? And you've heard me say this before. I want to be able to do one-handed push-ups when I'm 80 years old. Now, I should say still do one-handed push-ups because at 60, I can still do one-handed push-ups. If you're in my age bracket, you understand. You've seen Rocky. He used to do those one-handed push-ups. When I was growing up as a young boy, young teenager, I was like, I need to learn how to do that. So I learned how to do it, and I can still do them at 60 years old. And I still want to do them when I'm 80. So it is not too late to start. If you don't want to work out, or if you're thinking about working out and go, I really don't want to do it, or you think you're too old to work out, I'm telling you, you're not. Go onto those descriptions below, check them out, see what's available for you on Beachbody On Demand, fill out that health questionnaire, and like I said, somebody will call you, see if you want to participate in this. There is no pressure on this. You don't have to do any of this. I'm just giving you opportunities. Well, guys, thank you so much again for allowing me to be in your home. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. I can't tell you enough how excited I am to see you change for the better for your future. I love you. God bless, and we'll see you next week.